Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a plate full of nostalgia as we explore 10 dishes you rarely see anymore. While some of these may spark fond memories, others might just make you wonder what people were thinking. First up is sweetbreads. Despite its sugary-sounding name, this dish features offal, specifically the thymus and pancreas glands. Though it's not as common today, sweetbreads once thrilled food lovers, providing a delicious way to reduce waste from butchered animals. Next, we can't forget the notorious fruitcake. Often associated with holiday disasters, this cake of candied fruits and nuts soaked in spirits has become somewhat of a joke since the 1980s. Nonetheless, it still holds a special place in some hearts and traditions. Then there's chicken a la king, a creamy, comforting dish made with chicken, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Popular throughout the 20th century, it's a classic way to use up leftovers, but has faded from most menus. Who could resist a crescent ring? Made with easy-to-use canned dough and filled with sweet or savory treats, this dish was a potluck favorite. While it still appears occasionally, it's no longer the party staple it once was. Don't forget about chicken cordon bleu, an extravagant dish featuring chicken, ham, and cheese. This French-inspired meal is rich in flavor, but has become a rare find on modern menus. Meet ambrosia, often referred to as the ultimate holiday salad. This concoction of mini marshmallows, fruit, and mayonnaise has divided families for years. Love it or hate it, it used to be a staple. And how about Savory Jell-O salads? These colorful gelatin creations filled with everything from vegetables to meats were party showstoppers in the 50s and 60s. They've since become funny relics of a bygone era. Once a party central, fondue is now a rare sight. This cheesy delight was all the rage in the 1970s, making gatherings feel special. With today's fast-paced lifestyle, it's not as common anymore. And of course, liver and onions brings back memories of hearty meals. While once beloved, it's now regarded as an older generation's comfort food and often joked about in pop culture. Finally, we have Salisbury steak. This dish resembles a hybrid of burger and meatloaf, once a sign of efficient dining, but has seen a significant decline, leaving many to reminisce about cafeteria lunches. While these nostalgic dishes have fallen out of favor, many still appreciate them. Which of these meals do you miss most? Let us know in the comments below.